What's going on, guys, and thanks for coming back for another video. Okay guys, so spring is approaching, so I'm getting pretty excited because I'm going to be getting ready to do some overseeding right here in the back as well as the front yard. I'm going to show you guys this little gadget. It's going to make it a lot easier for me to do so. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so I recently installed this ImoLaza smart sprinkler controller. If you guys haven't seen it, I'm going to put the link in the description below. Please guys, check that out. It's really cool, it's easy to install, and it's really nice. Now, like I said, I'm going to be doing some overseeding pretty soon. So one thing that's really important for, new grass seed is you want to keep it wet. And with this sprinkler controller, it's going to really help us out. Now, normally if you had an older one like this, you would have to come over here and manually set up your dates and times and stuff like that. Well, with this ImoLaza, you just do everything straight from your phone. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. So since everything is controlled through my phone with the ImoLaza app, I no longer have to be in the garage setting up my time. As you can see, right now I'm in my backyard relaxing, and all I got to do is open my app and I can set up all the times. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so once you open up your app, you click on the bottom right, add schedule. I'm going to hit on new grass schedule since we're going to be overseeding. It's going to be for my front yard, which is zone 1 and zone 2. Right now it's currently at 5 minutes. I'm just going to leave it there for right now. This is mainly to show you. Now right here, this is what makes it a smart controller. It has this thing called right here smart cycle, and basically it's going to prevent runoff. So it's gonna, let's say for example we put 10 minutes, it's gonna water your lawn for a certain amount of time, let the water soak in, and then finish the rest of that time. For me, that's gonna be pretty important because my front yard has a slight slope, so I don't want all that brand new grass seed, if it gets too much water, I don't want it running off. I don't want it, it's gonna be just pretty much throwing away money. So I'm gonna turn that on. Next thing I'm going to do right here is I'm going to add a wind skip, mainly because it does get pretty windy where I live at, and also rain, because believe it or not, I actually received some rain last week. So I'm going to turn those two on. Next right here is since it is new grass seed, you want to make sure to keep it wet, so select on every day. Start date and an end date. You can change, you can leave it like that or change it, up to you. I'm gonna leave it like that for right now. So this is all your watering times. I'm probably just gonna do 2 watering times, so I'm gonna erase these right here. Now put the first one, say 8 in the morning. I'll put the second one a little bit later, maybe in the afternoon, about 12. Go ahead and click next. You can go ahead and rename it if you like. I'm just going to put reseed. Click done, confirm, and that's it, guys. You're all done, ready to go. And then once you're done, once your grass has been established, you can go ahead and go right here and then go ahead and delete the schedule and then go back to your normal watering schedule. All right guys, so that's how I'm going to be preparing for this overseeding. You guys should definitely go check out ImoLaza, guys, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.